back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video is I'm gonna do a DIY aesthetic phone case. So this is how it looks. So these are made in 3 easy ways. So if you want to know how I did this, just keep on watching. First is to find aesthetic printable stickers in Pinterest or in Google or anywhere you want, and at least have a theme that you want to your cell phone. Next is you would put it on a Microsoft Word so that you can edit its size. And here I am making the border page narrow so that I can use up much more space. Then I printed them in a vellum board, but if you want you can use a typical bond paper and then I'll cut it out. So here in the first DIY, we will need a double-sided tape, a scissor, and a clear phone case, and some stickers. So first, what I did is that I cut out some small double-sided tape. So here I'm placing the printable stickers to the desired location where I want it to be placed. Then, because the wave is too big, I just cut it out. Then I just stick it in my clear phone case. So here is how it looks. What you can do with this is that you can change it to whatever placing you want. So here's a little montage of the finished product. In the second DIY, we will need a parchment paper, scotch tape, and a scissors, and clear phone case. So in this case, I have this like an old phone case of my sister, and that, as you can see, it's so dirty because of my previous sticker DIY. Also, I used a bond paper instead of a vellum board, so that's what happened. Here I'm putting a scotch tape into a parchment paper, but if you have like a wider scotch tape, you can use it. So since I don't have one right now, I just use what is available to me. Next, I'm placing the printout, and it should face downward because you want the sticker to stick on that side. I'm cutting out the sticker, and yes, this is like a struggle if we're gonna do this one, and peeling off those stickers is such time consuming, promise. So yeah, but still worth it because it's cute. So here I'm sticking it out on their desired location, on where I want it to be. Next DIY is we're gonna need a clear phone case and a cutout of the size of your cell phone in a vellum board or any hard type paper, and some glue and some printable stickers. So here I place the printable stickers to their desired location, and then I will glue them. Thank you guys for watching, and click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet, and like this video, hit the notification bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. Comment down below if what videos you want to see next on my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video.